step of Ibaloke. Feet. We counted. 1, 2, 3 y 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 chest and feet. Y 1, 2, 3 y 1, 2, 3 y 1, 2, 3 y 2 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 rum. Arms, let's add the arms. We go. Y 1, 2, 3 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 y 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. Let's break this movement down. First thing, keep twisting of both of your feet to know in which direction you're going. That's the way how we initiate the movement. So this foot, the direction that you are going, this foot, you placing the metatarsal, you placing the front of your foot. This one, your standing one, the heel goes out, and this one here, the front of your foot. So we have this connection up, and I'm going there. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. So there is a bounce. Bounce. As we step, we go into bounce, bounce, bounce. Kimpa, riga, kipa, pa, con, kimpa, kipa, con, kipa, kipa, con, kipa, ripa, kipa, con, kipa, ripa, kipa. My chest, my upper body, my torso is doing exactly the same connection as my feet. The back, double chest, and double chest, double chest, double, and double, and double, and double, con, ripa, impra, pa, con, double, 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 pa, double, cra, pa, double, y pra, pa, double, kripa, hipa, kika, con, ha. Now my arms, if you have the skirt, you have it immediately here, or if not, if you don't have the skirt, arms on the side, and get this first movement. Feet, and my arms are going to react to. Vroom. Yep, we go. This is the preparation. Now you go pa, pa, pa. Pra, pa, pa. Kinka, kika, kika. Kipa, ripa, kipra. Up. Now you take the arms. The arm is going from down to up. Not that high. Pa, pa, pa. Let's say to the level a bit lower than the level of your eyes. Up. You bring it down there to look there. Look at it, pum, pa. E. Look at it, tika e pra. Kokon kipa hipa ti. A kokon kipa ripa ki. Kokon hipa ripa ki. Kokon kipa ripa kipa. Kokon hipa kipa ti. Kokon hipa hi. In the moment when you're making the E, still your chest has to keep on bouncing to the back. We never stop the chest movement. Even though this moment here feels like a dead moment, you're preparing here to go, but my chest still goes back, tika and kika, e back, back, tita. That's why my arm comes in because of the chest movement. I go up and bring it up, back, pumpa, chika, ki, ha, pum, cha, prung, pa, kukung, hipa, rika, ki, ah. So my eyes are connected with my arm. Hipa, kipa. If I don't have the skirt, I go like this. Krika, higa, gita, kokon, kipa, hipa, gi, kokon, kipa, hipa, gi. This is a moment of celebration. When Oshun, let's say, he finishes the Enio Bobo, for example, it's all clean. Finally, she got her menstruation. She's becoming an adult. Okay, now let me celebrate. That's an idea, starting with Ela de Oshun. So it goes like that. Ela de Oshun, con kipa di Ela de Oshun. Ela de Oshun. Hipa. Now, let's vocalize it. We have pa, con kipa kiha, 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 con kipa rum.